How's it going, everyone? Today, I'm going to teach you how to find phone contacts on Instagram. To connect your Instagram account to your phone's contact list, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap on the hamburger menu icon in iPhone or the three lines icon in Android in the top right corner. Then tap on Settings, then tap Account. If prompted, allow Instagram to access your contacts. Once you've connected your accounts, Instagram will scan your contacts and show you a list of people who are also on Instagram. You can follow these people by tapping on the follow button next to their name. So this is how to find phone contacts on Instagram. I hope this video was of help. Bye.